Hello. Hi, Mike. Here's your box of 21-22 ice. The one that you won in the holiday mixer.
There you go.
Congrats. Confirming the serial code. Ends with 7-2. And we'll open it for you. Good luck.
Okay. Good hand.
It's on the side. All right, we'll keep the bonus pack to the end. And we'll start. All right. Got a rookie of Grigory Denisenko, green. And crystals of Clayton Keller. Rookie of Vasily Podkolzin. Got green of Zach Hyman. And ice premiers of Garrett Pilon out of $12.99. Clear cut. A rookie of Jonathan Dahlin. Green, Jonathan Huberto. And rookie purple of Cole Perfetti. Rookie of David Ferens. That's a thicker pack. A green rookie of Cole Sillinger. And we've got Frozen in Ice of Andrei Svechnikov.
Pregnant card.
Pregnant card. Check inside.
Yeah.
It says.
The baby inside.
Yes. Cool. I love those actually. A rookie of Alex Newhook.
Those are the box hits, but sometimes they'll give you one extra hit, but sometimes that's just the box hit.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Usually there's no autograph with those ones.
Green of Charlie McAvoy. Purple of Casey Middlestad. And rookie of Lucas Raymond. That Svechnikov is good.
Yeah, it could be like a Cole Caulfield ice premieres inside, you know? That's a big pack.
Green of Tuva Teravainen.
Got a nice little exquisite.
And exquisite rookie as of Taylor Radish.
Oh, nice.
Out of $2.99.
Nice hit. Taylor Radish is tearing it up with Connor Bedard.
Isn't it weird to see Lightning in like black uniform?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. It's the reverse retro.
Yeah.
That's a nice hit, buddy.
And rookie of Logan Thompson. Green rookie of Rasmus Kupari. Sub-Zero rookies of Alex Newhook. And rookie of Jan Yannick.
The new hook is to $9.99 also.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Actually, 131 out of $9.99. Barely can see it.
Yeah.
Green, John Gibson.
Oh!
Ice premieres
It's a
of
retro.
Jonathan Dahlin.
Oh.
70 out of 149.
That's our second one we've pulled, probably like 70 boxes that we've opened. That's a nice hit. It's a rare one. Not the best of rookies, but they're very rare.
And Jeremy Swayman rookie.
I haven't pulled many of those, eh?
No. Green, Anze Kopitar. And we've got Connor Dower, Premier's jerseys.
Ice Premier's rookie jersey.
Ice Premier's rookie jersey.
Those are nice cards too.
And the rookie of Cale Addison.
That's a good box.
We're not done.
I know, yeah, we're not done.
Green rookie, Alexander Holtz. Crystals rookie, Alex Newhook. And rookie Cole Perfetti. Green, Philip Dano. Orange, Philip Forsberg. And rookie of William Eklund. Last pack before the bonus pack. Green of Anthony Mantha.
Another jersey?
Oh,
my
I actually
goodness.
see something interesting there too. I've got crystals of Jordan
Oh.
Bennington, sorry.
It's an auto.
And an auto.
Wow. It's an Ice Premier's autograph.
Ice Premier's autographs of Wade Allison out of 199.
Sweet.
Here's the auto.
Yeah, solid box. They double dipped you, bro. Maybe even triple dipped with those jerseys and the short print.
I know,
Ice
right?
Premier's. Yeah, this was a loaded box.
And the rookie of Adam Beckman.
66.
And of course the bonus pack.
Nice. Let's top it off with anything below $12.99. We'll take it.
So we've got Victor Olofsson, Patterson, Alexeyev,
That's the rookie, Alexeyev.
and this?
Yeah. That's
Alexander Alexeyev,
it's a rookie.
rookie.
Is that Martin Cow?
And yes, Ice Premiers of Martin Kaut out of 499.
Ooh, sweet. That's a lower tiered. Nice. And you got there's a...
And Pekka Rini,
Yeah.
67 out of 99.
Wow.
Interesting, actually, card.
Yeah, we haven't pulled any of those numbered ones yet.
Very nice.
Yeah. Cool
Well,
box.
Congrats. Thank you. And have a good rest of your night.
Take care, broski. Talk
Bye.
soon.